Hi there, it's Gordon Mack here, IT Manager at James Frew. Just a quick video today to tell you how you can download SharePoint so you have access to GIF Connect. I have a video running here on my screen. I'll just log on to my phone. This is an Android phone that I'm on. You should be able to enter the Play Store app to download apps. It will come up, do a search up the top here and type in Microsoft. And then the app you're actually looking for today is SharePoint, so Microsoft SharePoint. That will then bring up the application. You'll be able to download it. If you do get to the very front of the start screen, you can also do this here right at the very front. So Microsoft, and then it's SharePoint is the app you're looking for. If you click on that, then click on the install. That will start to install the Microsoft SharePoint application onto your phone. I'll pause the recording here while I wait for this to download on my phone. Okay, so once that's downloaded, it will be sitting saying Microsoft SharePoint. You can obviously select Open. If I go back to the home screen and I go to my applications again, you should now see a SharePoint application on your phone. When that comes up, it will ask you to sign in. You're using your James Frew email address and password for this sign in. So I'm going to log on as a test user here. And that's at jamesfrew.co.uk. Again, after that, after you've typed in your email address, it will then come up and ask you to type in your James Frew password. I'll just pause this while I type in the password. Okay, so once your password's in, you just hit the sign in button. It's going to come up and ask you if you want to save your password for later. You can do that. Okay, so once the password's been successful, it will then tell you it's going to send you a text message if you have your phone signed in, and that text message should go to the number that you have assigned to your phone. And if you just type in the code when it comes up on your phone from Microsoft, this is just to add extra security so that anyone who guesses somebody's username and password can't get in without their mobile phone also. So that's the one-time passcode sent from Microsoft, which will then let you in. Any problems with that, obviously, you can speak to Eurosystems or speak to the office, and we'll try and help you get in there. So once you're in the Microsoft SharePoint app, it will come up and it will have a look around. You have a search and SharePoint option here. Now, the new GF Connect may come up also here, but if it doesn't, just use the search function, and this is where you're typing in the new name, which is GIF Connect, and do a search. It will obviously then have a look around and it will bring up certain things, and the one you're looking for here is GIF Connect. Once you're in GIF Connect, this is the new company's intranet, GIF Connect. You'll be able to use your finger and scroll through the application all the way down. It's the news articles at the top, latest news. You'll get some information about some social media of whoever we happen to be tracking that day or week. Some statistics from the Gasure side of the business, some of our customer socials, so a good web page to go and click on and see what our customers are talking about. And then you'll get some common informations like some daily tips, the weather. You'll see the latest contract awards that have been awarded through installs from private, from MPS side of the business. Some useful links, working for James Frew and Gasure, any events that are coming up. There's also a comment screen where you can leave a comment for the intranet administrators, and that will help them improve. And then save for later, where you can save some of the articles for later. Also up here on the top, you will see beside the home screen, there's three little dashes. If you click on that, that will bring up a menu. And in the menu, you'll be able to scroll through, So have a look about who we are, information about people and the company. Also, what's happening will give you the events that are happening in the company, and then find it. And hopefully inside the Find It menu, you'll be able to see different things from benefits that are available working from James through to some of our policies. And if you scroll down, you'll get some help, some fun stuff to do, quizzes, etc. as well are all on here. So hopefully you'll be able to navigate your way through this, and it will certainly help you, and hope you enjoy using GIF Connect. One more thing to say, if before you go, if you do see article that you would like to read more about, then when you do click on it, it will load the news article and you will be able to read. If you don't have time at the moment, you see this little, it almost is meant to symbolize, I think, a paper clip or a tab for a piece of paper. If you click on that, it will save that so that you can view later. And when you come back to the main menu, at the bottom of the main menu was the bit that we've seen just earlier on in the video called Saved for Later. That will leave that just for you at the bottom so that you can come back at a later stage and read the news articles that you want to read. So hopefully that's helped. Hopefully you'll be able to load that, and you enjoy the new intranet. Thanks very much for watching.